guys, this is part 2 of doing the Discovery Submarine Volcano Kit. It's where we put this volcano in the water, and a fizzing tablet will activate the volcano and make it fizz everywhere. Are you ready?
Yeah!
Let's put this in.
Backwards.
Oh, hey, that sucks.
Take it out, Andre. Take it out. Take it out. Take it out and turn it around.
Oh my god. This sucks. This literally sucks.
It doesn't.
Hey, we did it. We did it. Yeah.
Now, what can we expect, Andre?
We can literally expect the bubbles coming out of the volcano.
Where's the eruption dumps?
Bruh.
Where's the eruption bubbles?
Austin, how do you feel? You excited?
Looking from this angle, it makes it look like it's a
Adrian?
volcano.
Adrian?
Yep.
Are you excited?
Yeah. But where's the eruption?
I see an eruption.
The eruption is coming from the core.
I see something starting.
I see nothing starting. All I see is bubbles coming out.
This isn't gonna last long. I just know it.
This looks so real. When I put
Don't touch it.
When I put my hand in there, it looked like a real.
I see some bubbles.
That's all I see.
More bubbles. Maybe this is what an underwater volcano looks like.
When is the eruption going to start, like, on the thing?
Oh, hey, we're wearing the same green shirt. Okay,
That's
that's not enough of doing those dumb noises.
Start to erupt. Start to erupt.
Oh, hey, it's making an island out of bubbles.
Indicted. Why is that erupting?
I can already tell it's about to end.
Yep. End his whole career. Water. It's about to end his whole career.
Andre.
It's about to end his whole career.
Okay.
Oh, God, it's like 100 now. Stop, Austin.
It's pitch black in there. That's usually not what a volcano looks like in the inside.
I thought there was going to be a little more.
Yeah, Austin, stop.
Here. Hold this, Aegis. Record.
Okay.
Let's see.
Hey, guys, my mom had me to hold the cameras. That's why it's a lot shaky, because I don't have steady hands.
Ask Andre some questions.
Andre,
Anything you want to show us? You have any special tricks?
Andre, I'm watching you on the camera.
I know. I've been caught in 4K.
Any questions you want to ask?
Bro, you're supposed to be asking me questions.
Mom had.
I'm
Andre,
smart.
you can just
Hold on.
tell some stuff.
Hey.
Keep your audience entertained.
So.
Okay.
Oh no,
So,
not
yeah.
a test.
Don't record.
I don't want that test.
Don't.
Record.
Hey, look at me.
I'm looking at you.
Look at it. Oh my god.
It's erupting.
What happened?
You put this stuff.
Whoa.
Put this stuff in. It's erupting.
Stop. She didn't put vinegar in it.
Yes, I did. Vinegar
Whoa.
right there.
Now this is a super submarine volcano.
Do it again.
There, hold this.
Well, I should probably
Mom.
call
Hold
it
it, Adrian.
submarine
Mom, I
volcano.
want. I want to record.
I'm probably gonna
No,
be
just wait. Andre, Adrian got to record the volcano, baby.
Oh, sorry.
All right. Look at that red.
Oh,
You know,
it's
lava.
on my It's on my face now.
vinegar?
I hate vinegar. Hey! Ah!
The vinegar is on my brother's face. Yeah, I'm looking real close. Mom, can you put more vinegar in it? How is it?
No. Should I not put vinegar in it?
Looking pretty awesome.
It's red and white blood.
Well,
Blood in there. Why is there blood
there's
in
a whole lot of lava.
it? Yeah, all the people are gonna die.
Wow.
No.
It's time to rest.
Oh.
So I read that if we use an antacid
It's right
tablet, that it might make it bubble up a little more. So maybe next experiment we'll use the antacid tablet and some vinegar, and maybe we'll see it overflowing. Underwater explosion.
What if you use all of the vinegar?
Hey, stop.
Right, Andre.
Alright.
What if you
Now this is the end. This is our outro. Bye bye. I think I just saw a bee.